in the loan origination business and talking to as many people as I have, there are 3 ways to raise your credit score in about 30 or 45 days, relatively quickly. And here they are. One is to become an authorized user on someone else's revolving credit account, a credit card account. You find someone, a friend, a family member, who has a higher balance but a low utilization. Like they have a $10,000 balance, but they're using $100 of it. That's the key. Low balance. Low balance. So it doesn't raise your debt to income ratio. So become an authorized user. They don't have to give you the credit card. You just have their information. That's the key. The other way is to get a CD loan. I think there's a bank I think it's Bank of Texas. I'm pretty sure it's Bank of Texas that has a $250 certificate of deposit that you can buy. I think that's the entry level. So it's relatively cheap to buy a $250 CD. And then you get an account at that same bank, and you do automatic debit to get a CD loan. You get a loan against that CD, and then you pay it back from that same account. And they don't check your credit because it's your money, but you get an installment account on your credit for that, and that raises your credit because that adds an account if you don't have an installment account. So that helps. And the other way is to remove third-party collections. And you can Google remove third-party collections, and you can find tons of places that can help you with that. But there's one in particular that I can recommend, and email me, DM me, whatever, and I can recommend that one. But those are the 3. Authorized user, CD loan, remove third-party collections. Because third-party collection people do not belong on your credit report. So do that if you're motivated, because I recommend all of this to my people who need to raise their credit score, and 80% of them don't do it. You have to be motivated. If you want a home, if you need a home, be motivated and take action. Just like my manager tells me, if you wanted to raise your business, if you wanted to reach that level, you would make the calls, you would do the videos, you would do the thing. I'm doing the thing, you do the thing.